What's up guys? Today I'm going to be unboxing ARTMS's Grand Club Icarus in Seoul merchandise. There's supposed to be a jacket in here, but the box seems kind of small. Oh, well, everything's in one bag. Okay. So first is this is the keycap keyring. So it's like keyboard keys, like typing. It's like ASMR. Alright, next is I got the badge pin. Oh, it's bigger than I thought it would be. It's not huge, but it is big. Yeah, it's a good size. There we go. I use a lot of pins. Okay. This is already sold out, so if you want one, sorry. Oh, I love the material. Oh, it's like the kind of weathered acid wash almost. Heather, yeah. Oh, that's sick. Okay. There we go. Yeah, the material is incredible. I think this is one size fits all because there wasn't a size listed. That's pretty cool. Oh, I love the wings on the back. Not gonna lie, it looks a little small. I don't know if it's gonna fit me. I'm gonna try it on before I put it on. Look at the tag. It's hard to focus, but it says Grand Club Icarus on the tag. Whoa, I really thought it was gonna be small, but oh my gosh, no, it fits almost perfect. Wow. Oh man. Oh, I'm so happy. I love it. It looks so good. Yeah, what do you think? You like it, Norman? Say what Norman thinks. What do you think, Norman? You like it? Yeah, you go. I think he likes it. You like it? Oh. Yeah, that's a good hug, Norman. Oh, thank you. That's a good hug. Bud. Oh, you get such good hugs. Thank you. Oh, it's a good hug. Well, only about 12 hours until the concert, so, well, at least from this point. I don't know if I'll upload this before or afterwards, but if you guys haven't, get your ticket on Hello Live to watch the Grand Club Icarus in Seoul. Alright, check you later.